Hello again, everyone. It is Miss Katie back with another ASL lesson, and today's topic is going to be Family Part 2. So last week we talked about signs for gender as well as signs for mom, dad, brother, and sister. Today we're going to use what we learned about signing for genders and apply it to our more distant family members, more like grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, and cousins. So first, let's go ahead and jump in with that sign for grandmother and grandfather. They are based off of the signs for mom and dad. So if you remember that from last week, remember that mom is here and dad is here. So for grandmother, you're going to put your hand at the same place on your chin, hand open, and you're going to lurch it forward in two small arcs. So grandmother, grandmother. And grandfather's that same idea, but you're going to take it up top to your forehead and do the same two small bunny hops, grandfather, grandfather. Next we have our signs for aunt and uncle, and this is going to use our ASL alphabet a little bit. So what letter does aunt start with? A, right? So you're going to take the letter A, like in your ASL alphabet, and you're going to kind of wiggle it back and forth by your jawline, aunt. And for uncle, you're going to take the letter U, and you're going to move it up by your forehead, uncle. So you have your aunts and your uncles. And next for our sign for cousin, you're going to take your hand, make the letter C from our ASL alphabet. And depending on if your cousin you're talking about is a girl or a boy, that's going to tell you where you're going to place your hand. So if you're talking about your girl cousin, you're going to take that letter C and you're going to rock it back and forth by your jaw. If it's a boy cousin, put it up by your hairline, rock that C back and forth. So your girl cousin, boy cousin. Last for today is going to be nieces and nephews, which is very similar to how we just signed cousins. You're going to make that letter N from the ASL alphabet. And if you're talking about a niece, it's going to be by your jawline. If you're talking about a nephew, it's going to be by your hairline. And thus concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for watching as always. I had a wonderful time working on our family signs with you, and I look forward to our next lesson next week. But until then, I will see you later. Bye-bye.